Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and as I promised maybe 2 videos ago, I will fix my window regulator or my window elevator. The thing is, I will not remove all the panel because I already removed it before, but I will try in the edition to get the footage that I have at the moment that I removed, because I don't want to assemble everything back again and remove everything again just for the video. So probably you will have footage that I get before and another footage for what I'm gonna do right now. So guys, let's go for the video. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe and let's go. The first thing you're gonna see after you remove the panel is this foam over here, and unfortunately you will have to remove, but the thing is, be really careful because you will have to install it again. So try not to destroy this, okay? And then you can remove with careful. Mine will be released really easy because I already removed, but the thing is, you need to pull this down. So if you don't have the window switch, you will have to pull it back again, because you need to move your window. You need to plug this, and then you have, I believe, if I'm not wrong, 5 screws. One here, one here, one here, another one here, and another one right here. The thing is, you need to remove the window. What I'm gonna try to do is not to remove. I will try to hold it with a bit of tape, because I don't like to remove windows. The first thing I'm gonna do is to slide down the window a little bit. Be careful, because in my case this thing is broken this side. So I will pull it down a little bit so I can have access to the piece that holds the window. I'm gonna show you. You see, one is right here, and the other one, it's right this side, same part. The plastic piece that broke in my case is this one. This is the piece that holds the window. I'm gonna try to put the camera a little bit closer, because you need to install this in a correct position. So I'll try to show you in a better detail. Okay, let's go. So this have a right position, so you need to install this perfectly. You see this plastic hole right here, this cable lock needs to go inside here. So as you can see, this cable lock needs to go inside this hole. The cable should go in the openings, this side and this side. Then you put the tabs, then you turn it. So it's done. So guys, once this the plastic holder is in place, you need to install the holder of the window. Done. Now we just need to assemble and the car and test. Let's see. So guys, now I'm gonna release a little bit the window, hold it and install it back in place. So let's go. So now I just need to tighten the screws and test if to see if everything is okay. Let's see. So guys, let's see if this thing works or not. Yeah, I just need to add some lube, but it seems everything okay. Yeah. So guys, another good news is that the model, that if you remember I have a leak right here, is not leaking anymore. So guys, one less problem. This is almost finished. I have another problem because I broke the lock on the door handle, and right now I cannot open with the key. I already ordered a kit to repair, so I will not close this right now. I'll just add the speakers, but I will not close this because I will have to remove the module again, and I will add some lube right here because this is without any lube. So guys, thanks for watching, thanks for the support, and as usual, see you soon. Stay tuned.